In this tutorial, I will guide you on how to fix this message which says, "Hello, our system detected that the device you are using has settings that are not secure." So I'll guide you on how to fix this issue. It is very easy. So the first step in order to fix this issue, make sure you disable installation from unknown sources. So this is for Android. To disable installation from unknown sources, just go to settings and then go to security. So look for biometrics and security depending on your phone model. So biometric and security, and then select install unknown apps. So install unknown apps. Now look for Gcash. So just make sure you set allow from this source. So just make sure you put this off, and then after that, make sure also you turn off developer options. So you need to turn off developer options. Just go to settings and then go to developer options, and then make sure it is turned off. So turn it off. Also make sure your phone isn't rooted. So make sure you're using the phone which is not rooted. Now open Gcash. So open Gcash. As you can see now, I can open this app without any issues. So you need to follow the steps that I've shown you in order to fix this problem. Thank you.